What is this called?
Grasshopper.
What is this called?
Ant.
What is this called?
Caterpillar.
What is this called?
Moth.
What is this called?
Firefly.
What is this called?
Beetle.
What is this called?
Dragonfly.
What is this called?
Mosquito.
What is this called?
Centipede.
What is this called?
Bee.